Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Today we're going over a huffle. Take two. Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Today we're not stuffing. We are unstuffing our hustle and leftover cash and I decided to put that into my business account so I can take care of some business expenses. And let's see what we did for the month of October. So I have my hustle binder and I ordered a bunch of these charms. That's what they call them. Key rings, keychains from AliExpress, and it came very fast for some reason. But that was cool. So, whoops. Let me get my cash straight since I'm going to be taking funds out. Oops. Space. So, I don't know what's going on with my tray, but all the little sticky things came off on the bottom. Anyway, so I have a breakdown already for the cash. Didn't do too well in this month, but I'm grateful, like I said, for everything. The overtime really helped since I didn't work too much in October. I did a double so I could get some extra cash. And we're also going to unstuff our monthly color challenge. So eBay, we should have 320. And we're going to sew at the end of October. So so that's October's. We're unstuffing 320. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 320. That was good. Usually I just take out the even amount and leave the change or transfer it to a savings account. Winnings. I paid a scratch off and won $105. The $5 was actually on a separate ticket, but I won 105 total, which I was so happy for. I bought a $20 ticket. So 10, we're gonna subtract 105, leave 0, and that was October's. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and 5. Yay. Let's do overtime first since I have this binder out. Overtime should have 240. I'm subtracting 240. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 30, 35, 40. 240. And that's overtime pay. I should have some overtime coming for my second paycheck of November because I worked on the 31st Halloween day because no one wanted to work. So, and I should have holiday pay coming up for Thanksgiving, Christmas, all that goodie. And I had nothing in my wallet, so there was nothing to roll over to save. Such a bad month. Wasn't that bad. It could have been worse. I'm sorry. Could have been worse. I'm grateful for everything I have. You have to be grateful for everything you have. because there's somebody out there that's not doing as good as you are. So our color challenge, we completed January finally, and October. So January should have 120. So we have 50, 70, 90, 120. 50. Boom, boom. Then October. For next year, I'm not going to unstuff. Well, let me not say that. I might. We'll see what happens. So October should have 240, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So that's 2, 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's 240. My guy got so damaged that I used my permanent marker and kind of drew him back in because I don't want to get rid of the binder. I'm just out of order. So this added up to $1,025. So that's 320, 105, 360, and 240. And 25. So we should have 1025 here. 50, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 850, 70, 90, 900, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So $1,025. And this is going to be going to my binder. I have a bill to pay that's over $700 because I bought some supplies and stuff. And for my new endeavor. So I'm going to put it into this envelope in the back. And pay off some stuff on PayPal. Yeeks. So that's went to my business binder. And where is my binder? Missing in action. So in the meantime, we're going to say that this our one second. So I want to print out my stuffing page so I can do a breakdown of what we have. And I'm going to speed this up. $40, $42. $10 times 10. So now we're gonna put the source of funds was hustle for October. So October hustle, and that's all going to business. And that's it. So we have a record of everything and everywhere all the money goes. So that started 10-1 to 10-31. So that's it for my hustle video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a little short because not much. I didn't do stuffing with it. So if I don't use all of this in my business, then I will stuff somewhere else. Yikes, can't even fit. So that's my business binder. If it wasn't going straight to my PayPal account, then I would do a stuffing, but it's going away. So that's it for my hustle cash today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have to unstuff my spooky challenge, which is going to go to sinking funds. Then I also have the dice challenge I was completed. Don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. And then we're going to complete on our next stuffing. We're going to complete our zombie challenge, and then we don't know what we're going to do with that either. So that's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment, tell me something, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.